Did you know that it takes about 1 kilogram of fruit to produce just half a kilogram of jam? That's right, double the weight of the final product. Now onto the fascinating journey of how this fruity delight makes its way to your breakfast table. Picture a garden brimming with ripe, colorful fruit. The first step in jam production is fruit picking. Producers choose the ripest and juiciest fruits, ensuring they are free from blemishes and insects. Then, the selected fruits undergo a thorough cleaning process. Next comes the art of fruit preparation. For some fruits, this involves pitting, coring, or peeling, while others are good to go as they are. The prepared fruit then takes a dive into a large pot. Here, the fruit simmers gently, breaking down into a thick, pulpy mixture. Now it's time for some sweet magic. Sugar enters the scene, transforming the pulpy mixture into a sweet delight. The amount of sugar added can vary, but it's generally equal to the fruit's weight. The mixture boils until it reaches a temperature of about 104 degrees Celsius, the setting point for jam. The boiling process is a delicate dance. It demands constant stirring to prevent the jam from catching on the bottom of the pot. As the mixture boils, it reduces, and the natural pectin in the fruit starts to work its magic, thickening the jam to the desired consistency. Once the jam reaches its setting point, it's time for a quick cool down. A brief respite before the next stage, canning. The jam pours into sterilized jars while still hot, forming a vacuum as it cools. This vacuum seal is crucial. It preserves the jam, keeping it fresh for months and sometimes even years. The final step? Well, it's the most satisfying one. The jars are sealed tight, labeled, and then they're ready to head out into the world, destined for breakfast tables and afternoon teas across the globe. So, to summarize, jam production begins with fruit picking, followed by cleaning and preparation. The fruit then simmers in a pot with sugar added to sweeten the deal. The mixture boils until it reaches the setting point, then cools before being canned and sealed. And just like that, a jar of jam is ready to add a dollop of sweetness to your day. The next time you spread a spoonful of jam on your toast, remember the journey it has taken. From a ripe piece of fruit hanging in a garden, through a dance of heat and sugar, to a sealed jar sitting on your breakfast table. It's quite a journey, isn't it? Now, isn't that food for thought?